So for Joseph, a quick thing to fix right now while you're going through the program is I went to your website. When I click on the program link, it should link to your own sales page where people can purchase and register. And the worst thing is, it doesn't even go to the partner's website sign up page, like in the sales page where people can check out immediately. It goes to your partner's page, kind of like a directory, and you are just one of the program. So what happens here is that if people happen to come to your, you generate so much traffic and effort to get people to come to your website, but you link them to a page where there are other programs on the same page, you're going to distract people, isn't it? You have already kind of sold them, they're interested and want to join our program or find out more about your program, and you're driving them into your partner's page, which has other programs that's not even yours. So I think that's definitely losing money. There's a lot of leads being leaking out. Another thing is that your founders is completely unrelated to what, and you want to talk about yourself, and you ended up telling people like your credentials, your what you're good at, or what's your past business that you've been in, right? While those of the things is good for us to know, right? I think it's human nature to kind of tell the best of who we are. It's in our ego to say that. But for your target audience or potential customer, they don't care about it. They only care about the part, how you can help them. What about you that can help them? What about you in your past, what you have done that could help them right now? So be aware, everyone, do go and look at your About Me page and see with a fresh pair of eyes, right? Pretend just like I'm not me, I'm just a potential customer reading this for the first time. Would I care about this? Does this convince me that I want to hear more or buy from this person? So otherwise, your About Me is just basically redundant. It's not interesting to people. It's not convincing them on why they should buy from you.